Hello and welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial series. Today's episode is about the integration with QuickBooks. If your organization works with QuickBooks, you probably keep a list of your customers, contacts, and invoices. You can even keep a list there of products and services you offer. eWay-CRM can track all of it too, and since no one wants to manage two separate databases, we have launched a two-way synchronization tool that will handle that for you. When activated, your sales managers and others who primarily work with CRM can find everything in the software they use. If they open a company record in eWay-CRM, they will see up-to-date data, a list of all invoices, their statuses, and even the latest price list. And since eWay-CRM works offline, they can also access it without the internet connection. To configure it, please contact our support. Since we are still in beta, we will install the QuickBooks connector for you. We will then send you a unique hyperlink that will help you finish the setup. First, you need to log in to eWay-CRM. This step requires the administration account, so only eWay-CRM administrators are allowed to do it. Then, you will be asked to authorize your QuickBooks account. After that, a quick tour guide will help you set it up. And that's all. It's easy. The synchronization is automatically triggered every hour. If both your eWay-CRM and QuickBooks contain any data, please contact us first. We will help you merge it and avoid duplicates. If you modify a company in eWay-CRM, it will be automatically updated in QuickBooks and vice versa. Let's just add an extra line to the note and see what it looks like in QuickBooks. How to invoice the customer? Let's create an invoice. This is what it will look like in eWay-CRM. You can see the status, due date, and total price. You can even open it to see what was invoiced. Under the tab Products, you will find your complete list of products and services along with the up-to-date prices, also synchronized with QuickBooks. For the complete list of modules and fields we can synchronize, please visit our documentation at kb.eway-crm.com. There you will also find which modules are synchronized both ways and which work one way. For any questions, feel free to contact our support at support@eway-crm.com. We are happy to help. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and remember, be effective with eWay-CRM.